Hey folks, still tracking a very slow moving cool front in deep South Texas. It'll gradually kind of slide through the valley late night, early morning. Could trigger a shower or two as it does. Our lows not a whole lot cooler than last night, 4 or 5 degrees. That's about it. It's not a particularly cool air mass, but it will bring a lot of clouds in, probably spotty showers. And with that, tomorrow won't warm up as much. Instead of being in the 80s, it'll only be in the 60s in most locations. So a pretty big change from one day to the next, with coastal sections, South Padre Island about 70 and Brownsville reaching about 70 as well. The next 7 days, take a peek. Tomorrow, below average at 68. The norm is 73 now. We should be back above normal on Saturday and then way above normal into the early part of next week, and then we'll taper it off again with another front late Wednesday. Should cool things off for the second half of next week. Probably cooler than what we're looking at tomorrow by the end of next week. Fronts kind of gradually sagging southward. Temperatures across the rest of South Texas, 50s and 60s. Dew points are a lot lower up here. The air is a lot drier behind the front, and that's really the change that we'll see with this. Look at the wider picture, though. It is cold in Amarillo, 25. San Angelo's 36 tonight. Austin checks in at 48 degrees. Watch Future Track suggests that by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we're in the 60s. San Antonio only in the 40s tomorrow. If you have travel plans north of the valley, take a jacket because it's not going to warm up much. Go into Saturday morning. By mid-afternoon, we're warming up a little. We're in the 70s. They're still in the 50s. So this is one of those times when you can really feel the impact of living 250 miles south of San Antonio. Look at the difference in temperatures on Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday will be in the 80s. They'll be closer to 70. So big difference because of this front, and then we rebound, but they don't so much. Front falls apart to the south. European model keeps the cool air here for about a day, and then it moves out. But the rest of Texas stays pretty cool through the weekend. Starts to warm up next week. Warmer temperatures build in, and they stay with us Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then late Wednesday into Thursday. This front pushes through, and notice it kind of sideswipes us, but it should push some colder air in for the end of next week, turning temperatures down from those 90s we'll see the middle of the week. 20% chance of rain tomorrow and Saturday. We go dry through Wednesday, and then just a slight chance with that next front along about Thursday next. So tonight, the clouds thickening up as the night goes on. Brief showers possible, a low of 60. Tomorrow, cloudy, cool, drizzle, and a shower around 68 for the high north-northeasterly winds. So we go 68, 75, 85, and then we keep going up into the 90s for Tuesday and Wednesday, cooling off a little bit by the end of next week. But the best chance for a shower or two looks to be tomorrow and early Saturday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.